everyone, welcome to Burkeshire Farms.
Hi everyone, I'm Frank.
I'm Jackie, and today is a milestone for the farm. We have our first farm animals in this box.
We got some chickens.
We thought we would bring you along and you could see our first new farm babies. So we've set up a little brooder in the shed, and we'll show you what we did, and then we're going to put our little babies inside the little brooder.
All right.
So this is our brooder. It's actually a large Rubbermaid tote that we had a bunch of garden supplies in it, and Frank has hung the heat lamp right here. We were just talking just a little bit ago, in fact, that we're really going to think about getting one of those low table heaters so that they can run under them. It's a lot safer than having a heat lamp, and so I think that's going to be one of the things we're going to kind of look on Amazon tonight and see if we might get one of those. The other thing we have is we have their little water feeder right here. Now, some people said that you should put little marbles in here, but the lady who sold us the little chickens, she's into chickens, and she said, no, you don't need to do that. Just make sure that they know where the water's at. So we're going to see what happens that way. The other thing is we have some, it is called Organic Starter Grower Crumbles for little chicks. And so apparently everything you need for the little chicks is inside that. We don't need to have, separate grit and all this other stuff. Everything you need for a little chick to survive is in this crumble. And the little chicks we got today were hatched yesterday. The other thing you might notice is we have paper towels down instead of wood shavings. And we were told to do the paper towels first for a day or two so that the chickens, or the little chicks, can realize what their food is and not think that the wood chips are the food. So that's why they said put some paper towels, and once the little chicks know what food is and what is not food, then go ahead and put the wood shavings on. So we do have some wood shavings, but for the next day or two, until we are comfortable that they know that the wood chips isn't food, we're going to stick with paper towels. Now, when we bought them, they were already in a different brooder, and they had water, and they had food, so hopefully they're already pretty much accustomed to it. All right, there's our babies. Hello, guys. Welcome home. So you can see the yellow ones are the white Leghorns, and the brown ones, of course, are the Rhode Islands. I'm just gonna, come here, little guy. Come here. Show them where the water's at. There you go. They might be thirsty because they had a drive home. You just kind of put their little beak in the water so that they know where the water's at. Come here. Oh my goodness. You guys made it. Oh, well, okay, easy. You'll figure it out. And one more. Come here, you. Whoop, there you go. All right, there they are. All right, so we're already standing on top of the food thing. They weren't supposed to do that.
Oh, they're hungry.
Look at that, they are hungry. They are definitely hungry.
They are. They're really going down on that food. Wish they wouldn't get up there on there like that and poop in the food.
And then you have to clean the food out. Whenever you notice that the little chicks have pooped in the food, you gotta get rid of it. You want them to always have clean, fresh water and clean, fresh food. And also underneath the heat lamp, the temperature should be 95 degrees. And if the little chicks are cold, they'll huddle on top of each other to try and keep warm. And if they're too hot, then they'll scurry to the other side and be like up against the walls and stuff. So that's some of the ways of telling whether they're warm or they're cold. And the other thing we have is this little thermometer, so we just can monitor how warm it really is and not just guess what the temperature is. So it's been about an hour now, and for a good half hour, maybe 45 minutes, they ate and they ate and they ate, and they were drinking lots of water, and then they kept trying to get up on top of the feeder here and act like as if it was a perch. So Frank went ahead and put a stick in there so that we would rather have them be on the stick than sitting on the bird feeder, because then of course they'll poop in their food and we don't want that to happen. But so far they're doing okay. They found the warm spot, they know where their food is, they know where the water is. While they're getting used to their home in here, Frank's outside building a top for the brooder. And as I said, well, the chickens, they're not going to be able to get out yet. And Frank said, no, it's not for the chickens getting out, it's for critters getting in.
So thank you again for spending a little bit of your time with us. And it's just going to be a short, quick video. We wanted to share that we've actually got some animals on the farm other than dogs.
Yay! We have our baby chicks.
If you would, please take a minute, hit that like button. And if you're a subscriber, thank you so much for watching our videos. Until next time,
Have a blessed day.
God bless.